Homebuyers, are you looking for a sign to get back in the market? Well, top economists from National Association of Realtors and Zillow agree on one word for 2026, and that word is opportunity. And here's why lower rates and rising supply are about to give you some much needed breathing room. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about the 2026 housing market forecast and why experts are calling it a year of opportunity. Okay, if a move is on your radar for 2026, there's a lot more working in your favor than there has been in a while. After a stretch where many people felt stuck, 2026 is shaping up to be a year with more balance, more options, and more clarity for people who want to make a move. Not just because the market is suddenly easy, but because several key conditions are shifting. Here's what the experts are saying you have to look forward to. Now, Daniel Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, says, after a challenging period for buyers, sellers, and renters, 2026 should offer a welcome, if modest, step toward a healthier housing market. And the National Association of Realtors says top economists have one word to sum up the housing market for 2026, and that is opportunity. Lower mortgage rates and rising supply of homes are expected to open up the housing market. And that's something that the real estate industry and potential home buyers and sellers have been waiting for following 3 years of stagnation. Mark Fleming, chief economist at First American, says for the first time in several years, the underlying forces are finally aligned toward gradual improvement. Mortgage rates may drift down only slowly, but income growth exceeding house price appreciation will provide a boost to house buying power, even in a higher rate world. Affordability won't snap back overnight, but like a ship finally catching a steady tailwind, it's now sailing in the right direction. Misha Fisher, chief economist at Zillow, says buyers are benefiting from more inventory and more improved affordability, while sellers are seeing price stability and more consistent demand. Each group should have a bit more breathing room in 2026. Now, local insight matters more than ever. Just remember, while the national outlook is improving, conditions will still be different based on where you live. Some markets will move faster than others, some will see stronger price growth. Others will remain flat. As Lisa Sturdivant, chief economist at Bright MLS, explains, market performance will hinge on local economic conditions, making 2026 one of the most geographically divided markets we've seen in years. Now that's why understanding what's happening in your specific area is key. The national trends set the stage, but local dynamics determine how they play out for you. And that's why you need a local professional realtor. So the bottom line is that 2026 may have some hidden opportunities for you, whether buying or selling a home. If you want more information on what these trends mean for you in your local market and which trends you'll want to take advantage of, reach out to me so we can discuss your personal situation and how that fits in today's real estate market. Please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and friends. Well, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and I'll see you on the next video.